Well, again, Satya, we are, I think he's connecting to the audio. So hopefully we'll be able
I
to.
think there should be some network issue too, huh?
Uh-huh.
With the, I think it's I don't know if the weather is okay in Suva. It's cloudy.
It's cloudy, right?
Yeah.
All right. So once again, yes, welcome. Welcome to the show, Satya. I know, yeah, sorry about that, man. We're having some issues going on to maybe getting Satya's audio on. And for here we are now. And we have Michael, we have RJ Sharma, and मैं आपका दोस्त तीन मनी. Well, we'll try to continue, and hopefully Satya will join us. And Satya, of course, sorry about the technical issues that we are having. But
Yeah,
yes,
you know what? It was too early for him to get up. I think that's part of the problem.
and of course he didn't mind to join us, and of course updating कि वहाँ पर क्या कुछ हो रहा है, because वहाँ पर भी completely बंद है. Okay, Satya is right there. Satya,
Finally.
Finally.
Finally, you made it.
sorry about that,
Yes,
man.
yes.
So sorry about that. Of course, I know technical issues. Yeah, we were not gonna delay right now until we start getting those sounds, coming back. तो यार, आई मीन आई नो हम लोग जो यहाँ पर रहते हैं और वहाँ का जो न्यूज़ वगैरह है फॉलो अप करते हैं, इंडिया का जो न्यूज़ वगैरह है उसे भी हम फॉलो अप करते हैं, क्या कुछ हो रहा है. तो फिजी का जो हाल है वो बताइएगा.
Well, Fiji का इतना हम कह सकते हैं कि right now, Suva to या फिर from especially in the southern division, all the way from up to Talivu, ये दरअसल curfew zone में है, lockdown में है. And the western division, Nindi is on a separate lockdown. Lotuka is on a separate lockdown. Lockdown जब हम कहते हैं तो यहाँ पर तो total curfew है, no movement in Suvarnasuri corridor. But
जी.
western में, Nindi में there is movement, but within the containment area. और लोतुका का भी movement है within that containment area. That's how it is. We struggling and fighting for this COVID-19 right now.
अच्छा, ये थोड़ा सा बताइएगा, बिकॉज आई नो लोगों में यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन ये है कि ये जो वायरस है, आई नो इट इज थ्रू दी बोर्डर इमिग्रेशन के थ्रू, आई मीन इट केम थ्रू, राइट? सो कहाँ से ये शुरू हुआ? आई नो फिजी वाज कंप्लीटली आउट ऑफ कोविड सिचुएशन, तो ये कहाँ से, आई मीन लाइक व्हेन व्हाट हैपेंड, कहाँ से ये वायरस आया वहाँ पे?
Well, the initial findings जो है वो ये बता रहा है it started from the border. Of course, it came through, but we had the only COVID-19. But now, a test has indicated that we have got the India virus, जो कि variant है, वो आया है. So that is more dangerous now, in a sense that people traveled from India via Singapore up to Fiji, and then it came to the quarantine area, and that's how it leaked out. So basically, अब जो scenarios हैं हम कह सकते हैं कि we are more to do with the India, because इसका spread बहुत fast हुआ है, and it is from one person to the other, started from the quarantine areas. Two people went to buy jewelry from the Western Division, and वहाँ से जब ये वापस लौट के आए, that's right now we are sort of like linking it to कि वहीं से ये सब कुछ शुरू हुआ है. To buy jewelry from the Western Division.
Is the vaccination helping out right now, or are the people getting vaccination, or is it मैंने सुना था finish हो गया है या फिर वापस start हो गया है vaccinate करना लोगों को?
Well, the vaccination process is still going on, and it's a first lot जो अभी लगा है सबको वो लगा है. They have to get the second jab. You are not fully protected till you get the second jab. So right now it's going through the first process जो finish हो रहा है. Second jab will come into sometimes June. So basically जब June में आएगा, then we're going to get the second one. Then we can say okay, right, we are okay now.
So how many total cases do we have in Fiji? I think There were
Well,
two.
we have about 50 cases right now, but very ज़्यादातर जो है वो within that quarantine है, and बाकी जो है बाकी जो लोग हैं 10-12 जो है मतलब on and off, ये दरअसल isolation centers में उनको कर दिया गया है, but in total it's 50.
So nothing is open. I mean, I know essential workers obviously अपना काम कर रहे होंगे, but like nothing is open at all. Total
All
lockdown.
supermarkets that was part of the essential services, it was open, but now for starting on Friday evening, it has closed, and it will open on Monday 4 o'clock. I mean, tonight they'll review the situation. Then we will know exactly whether they're going to open or carry on. Right now, they're going house to house, especially Navasuvarnasuri area, house to house, doing some testings, because through that Care Fiji app and through sort of findings where these people went, whom did they got in touch with, ये सब चीज पता लगाना जरूरी है. Then only we can sort of like say, okay, right, we are sort of like out of the danger or out of it. But right now it has gone even to Rakiraki. So the Rakiraki case is a mystery, because unless and until people open up and say, okay, I went there, I went this place, I met these people, जब तक लोग बोलेंगे नहीं तब तक मुश्किल होगा उसका जड़ तक पकड़ना. उसको बहुत टफ हो जाएगा कि फाइंड आउट करना कि कहाँ तक मतलब ये फैला हुआ है.
So tracking and tracing ki kahan se, tabhi to like most probably they will be able to see ki.
Yeah, and the worst part is people are not coming out openly, because don't forget this COVID-19 also carries a stigma, and stigma is more to do with सुनो उसके पकड़ी से या इसके है या हुआ कैसा उसके लगे नहीं जाना. Then suddenly everybody keeps a distance from each and everyone, more like एक ब्रांडेड टाइप हो जाता है, स्कैरी टाइप हो जाता है. तो वो स्टिग्मा के कारण काफी लोग तो शायद सामने आ भी नहीं रहे होंगे, जो those who are the carriers हैं. But right now, of course, the government is doing excellent work. The Ministry of Health is doing perfectly all right. Everything is very heavy rain here in Suva, Nabu, and Nosori. From the last 2 days, there's chance of flooding too. So that's also a hindrance, because door-to-door movement to go restrict कर दिया जाता है. So lots of issues here, but as we say, Fiji is always a survivor, always a fighter, and we can get over it in time to come.
और आपने जो सत्या स्टिग्मा की बात की है, तो लोगों को ये समझना चाहिए, I mean we want to get rid of this virus, ताकि दुनिया में कहाँ पे नहीं हुआ है ये वायरस, right? So we have to just be upfront and be out there and letting people know ताकि इसको हम contain कर सके. And I think
be honest about it, okay? There's no sense in hiding, because if you hide it, then the thing is you're not going to get control over it. No, अगर सच में है तो कह दो कि hey भाई, I have been exposed to it and we all need help. तो सभी को participate करना है. Okay.
Well, I wish
stigma.
सब कोई ऐसा ही सोचे कि we just all working as a team and we working to get rid of it. But people are people.
I mean,
are not coming forth.
जब symptoms आता है तो आपको recognize करना होगा. यहाँ पर भी जब ऐसा था, और इनफैक्ट अभी तक है, even though California, in fact, Bay Area has calmed down on the cases. जिस तरह का hourly और daily cases था, थोड़ा हमारा जो numbers है ये गिरा है because of vaccination and precautions. लेकिन वो chilled महसूस करना अपने शरीर में या फिर फीवर होना, I think you have to be alert on your own कि चलो अच्छा चेक करा लेते हैं.
You are so true. People have to come forward. But the thing is this, as I said, Fiji is one place जहाँ पर मतलब बाहर के सुन के काफी लोग different way देखने लगते हैं. अभी इंडिया का इतना डरावना situation देखकर अब मतलब we are on alert. Every country is on alert right now. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि yes, work is in progress, and we will definitely get over it.
But
otherwise लोगों का suffering जो है, more lockdowns will happen, things like that. But yeah, people sort of like, there are some very good people who had with I mean, उनका कोई choice भी नहीं था, उनका कसूर भी नहीं था, फिर भी वो सामने आ गए और कहा कि देखो शायद probably I have the science. So in a way they are trying to protect. All I'm saying is I hope everybody understands that way.
Exactly. Each one of us has our own responsibility, and you have to understand one thing: that people stigma, as you said, hey. But then again, agar if you're exposed to it, keeping it to yourself, you are doing more harm than good. It is okay to come out and say, "Hey, man, look at me, check me out. I may have been exposed." That's how it's going to happen. Hiding it is not going to do it.
Yeah, and
yeah. All I'm saying is there are some people who are not even sure whether, but as you said, the symptoms are showing, if the symptoms are there, because what's happening now is we want people to come forward. We want people to be supportive. We want people to work with the authorities. We want people to come out open and say, okay, right, check me out, please. If I'm okay, swab me. Things like that.
Oh, exactly.
But I hope things will be improved, and we are on the track right now. And with this curfew and lockdown, I'm quite sure we'll be able to get good results.
Yeah, I know. I was seeing some pictures. Aaj subah kisi ne bheja, actually my family out there in Suba, and Suba is completely on a lockdown, and dikh raha hai, and I know, which is good. और लोग and I know one of the interviews में Dr. James Fong मेरे ख्याल से I think he was pretty upset कि लोग सुनते नहीं हैं जो कुछ उनको बताया जा रहा है. So hopefully this is one thing जो इंडिया में हो रहा है, जो फिजी में हो रहा है, और कहाँ पर भी ये बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. So people will heed to the advice of the health professionals. मास्क वगैरह जो पहनना है, it's so important. Sanitization वगैरह जो है,
सारी बेसिक चीज है डीन. आई थिंक आई रिमेम्बर हम लोग जब से कोविड स्टार्ट हुआ है, एवरी शो में हमें ये चीज बोलना पड़ता है, बट येट यू सी पीपल, मतलब उनका चिन मास्क पहना हुआ होता है. चिन को क्या प्रॉब्लम है? चिन थोड़ा मास्क पहन के क्या करेगा? मतलब नाक को कवर करना है, मुंह को कवर करना है. यहाँ पर तो इतना हद तक हो गया कि लोगों को कान वगैरह सब कवर करना पड़ता था. अब कुछ लोग प्रिकॉशंस एकदम ज्यादा हद तक लेते हैं, कुछ लोग कुछ भी नहीं लेते हैं, मास्क पहनते हैं यहाँ पे. और अभी मैं पढ़ रही थी कि पे एक लेडी, इतना बेवकूफी उनकी हद देखिए आप. उन्होंने अपना फेस पे मास्क पेंट किया था ब्लू एंड व्हाइट से, मास्क का कलर. उससे क्या प्रिकॉशन मिलता है? मतलब
I mean, that's it. I mean, can you imagine how stupid people can be? Okay, that's the whole thing. Bottom line, you know what? You cannot get the stupidity out of some people. That's the whole problem.
The thing is that maybe she wanted to be just be funny, right?
I mean, that's not funny at all. This is not funny. I mean, there's nothing funny about this,
जब सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम होगी, हॉस्पिटलाइज होगे, तब पता चलेगा कि क्या फनी.
Can I say something? Can I say something?
Of course, Satya.
The thing is this: most of these things, the naughty things, come from America. I see some of the videos. They're going to a supermarket. They don't have the mask. I know where they get the mask. Then next where it's coming from.
या मास्क इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऐसे. और अभी कहा गया है कि जो कॉटन मास्क है ज्यादा प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करता, बट दैट मास्क दैट कम्स इन द पैकेज, द ब्लू एंड द व्हाइट वन, यू हैव टू नो हाउ टू वेयर इट, द करेक्ट वे टू वेयर इट. ये सारी चीजें अवेलेबल है. जस्ट गो अहेड एंड चेक ऑन CDC वेबसाइट, तो लोगों के लिए आसान भी हो जाएगा, राइट?
Pray for Fiji. That's all I can say. And then use the wise thing, which is sanitize yourself, keep the distance, and of course wear your mask. Three main things, and stay away from the crowd. And of course, don't have to go to anybody's place. If you want to taki, if you want to grog at your home with your wife.
Yeah, right. Yeah, spend some time. Some what you call some quality time, some private time. That's what they're. Lots of people, they need that right now. Satya, आपने कहा pray for Fiji, of course for India as well. हमारे जो बहुत ही करीबी जो दोस्त लोग हैं यहाँ पर, सत्या, we know people that they have lost 2 या 3 of their family members. यहाँ तक कि 28-28-year-old उनके फैमिली में वहाँ पर गुजर गए हैं. so it's really sad. And this guy was sharing about unke mother-in-law, father-in-law within 18 hours of फासला रहा, जबकि इन दोनों की मौत हो गई. So
I saw one video जो आज तक जो मतलब टीवी चैनल है उसका आज तक के जो reporter है, he died. That's a sad part. One of the journalists who has been reporting about all these COVID cases, apparently he died. But on the humor side of it, I just want the ladies at home, don't pressurize your husband. Don't put pressure on your husband to do all the housework, They get frustrated too. Sometimes.
Oh my word. Oh my God, look at this. काम बांटने से काम होता है, ऐसे.
And the other thing is, even if the husband is at home, I mean, trying to be sort of like very positive about the whole thing. एक चीज में थोड़ा और माहौल बदलो, घर के अंदर का भाग और बेडरूम का अंदर का भाग, उसका माहौल बदलो so that आदमी का दिल लगा रहे वही घर में ना.
Hey, Satya, looks like this voice of experience,
I'm staying alone. I don't have any issues. I'm staying alone. I don't have any issues. I do my routine. But all I'm saying is I feel sorry for all those guys, those who are at home and those who are, guys like Din Money, going through all the pain and doing all the work. So I'm just giving that hint, please.
But that's unfair, SN. That's unfair. औरतें जो है कोविड से पहले भी काम कर रही थी, पेंडेमिक में भी काम कर रही हैं, और ये लॉकडाउन है उसमें उनको अपने बच्चों के साथ, हस्बैंड भी एक बच्चा होता है, उनको भी झेलना पड़ेगा. तो मतलब थोड़ा हाथ बटा लेंगे अगर हस्बैंड, तो कुछ हो नहीं जाएगा.
नहीं, but that I don't agree with that word झेलना is.
अभी पता चलेगा, लॉकडाउन अगर ये जाने दो 2-3 दिन, पता चल जाएगा झेलना क्या मतलब है.
A real shout out to all those people जो हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. And of course, all the way from Lambasa, I have हमारे जो village के, हमारे गांव से we have Moren, I guess, he's watching the show, Nisambula Moren, and of course to all those people out there, western side में है, जो हमको देख रहे हैं, follow up कर रहे हैं. And of course some good advice आप लोगों के लिए, entertainment है, entertainment के तौर पे हम आप लोगों के साथ मतलब जुड़ते हैं, but messages out there like what Satya has mentioned, whatever is going in Fiji, whatever is going in India, और यहाँ पर US में भी, यहाँ पर तो हाल ये है सत्या, अभी इतना लगभग more than 200 million लोगों को मतलब vaccinations लग गए हैं, but there are some people जो they are still skeptical about not getting the vaccine. तो तुम सोचो, there is it's available and they don't want to get it. और इंडिया में जहां पर लोग ढूंढ रहे हैं वैक्सीन,
ऑक्सीजन को, they're looking for oxygen, उनको मिल नहीं रहा यार,
and they're not getting it. I mean,
all I'm saying is, of course, right now, I mean, we learn through other countries' experience and what they go through. Fiji is in a very sort of like a delicate situation. Of course, I salute to Dr. Fong, I salute to the government of the day, I salute Prime Minister, I salute everyone who are working behind the scenes, doing so much. I saw AG and the PM, they sort of like
they did a good job actually.
They were doing a very excellent job, and with this food packs now they're distributing to the people. But these are some of the examples of some of the very sort of hardworking staff which we admire when we salute them. But for this, we need people's support. I think people should come on board and support the moves, the sort of like ideas that the government has put in place. But people must protect themselves too. You cannot expect spoon feeding. You cannot expect कि मतलब हर एक चीज तुमको करके दिया जाएगा. थोड़ा तुम्हें भी सैनिटाइज करो, थोड़ा तुम भी अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करो, अपने किड्स का, अपने फैमिली का, और and of course at the same time बीवियों को इतना बता देना चाहते, थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर लो माहौल, थोड़ा अगर हस्बैंड बार बार चाय मांगे तो दे दो, उसमें बेचारा अच्छा दिन नहीं चल रहे हैं, कॉफी मांग रहा है तो कॉफी भी दे दो, कुछ खाने को बोल रहा है तो दे दो.
हस्बैंड को
एकदम
चाय
एकदम
बनाना आना
एकदम
चाहिए।
एकदम अटल नहीं होना चाहिए ना, तुम्हें फिर 11 बजे कॉफी मिलेगा ना, तुम्हें अभी नहीं मिलेगा, जा आपने बनाओ, इन ऑल थिंग्स लाइक दैट, थोड़ा नाइस रहो।
ये आपके साथ हो रहा है ऐसे, ऐसा ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है आपके साथ?
See, Satya,
I'm trying to create a humor within our conversation. I don't want to be too serious here.
remember I said लगता है it's what, it's the voice of experience ना.
see, see,
हाँ,
Satya,
मैं सोच रही हूँ, लगता है ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है इनके साथ।
और क्षमा प्लीज तुम अपना मॉडलिंग पिक्चर्स नहीं अपलोड करो, बिकॉज ये सब चीज देख के हमको जलन भाव हो रहा है।
कि हम जब पेंडेमिक में थे, आप लोग मॉडल कर रहे थे, नाच रहे थे, तो मैंने सोचा मैं भी जले पे नमक छिड़कूं थोड़ा।
वही मैं सोच रहा हूँ यार, कि यार दुनिया में ये सब चीज करना तो ठीक बात है, ऐसे टफ टाइम में मतलब मॉडलिंग करना, अच्छे अच्छे पिक्चर्स अपलोड करना, ऐसा कौन करता है यार? कौन है ये लोग, कहाँ से आते हैं ऐसे लोग?
क्षमा है।
मैं बस अटेंशन डाइवर्ट कर रही हूँ ना टुवर्ड्स ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स।
see,
सॉरी लास्ट सेंटेंस मैंने नहीं अच्छी तरह से सुना, व्हाट वाज इट?
आप वापस वीडियो देख लेना।
अटेंशन डाइवर्ट करनी टू द ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स, ओह माय गॉड।
Don't be jealous, Hussain.
Satya, I really want to
Anyway, nice talking to you guys.
Satya, always, you're most welcome. And of course, we want to know whatever's going on. हमारे जो Fiji वाले यहाँ पर है, उनको भी, like, you being in the media, you being right in the media and knowing whatever's going on. तो आप हम सभी लोगों के साथ शेयर वगैरह किया ये सभी बातें. Really want to thank you. And लोग जो वहाँ पर भी देख रहे हैं, and of course, जो guidelines वगैरह है, health के तरफ से जो गाइडलाइंस वगैरह आप लोगों का है, प्लीज फॉलो दैट. वी वांट टू टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ दिस एंड वी विल, I mean, of course, we will come through this.
Yeah, if you are living in a country like US और आपको लग रहा है कि वैक्सीनेशन आ गया है, you don't want to let your guards down, because as हमने on air कहा है कि ओरेगन और वाशिंगटन में there has been some COVID outbreaks and Bay Area center of concern फिर से है. So make sure, even if you are vaccinated, do not let your guards down.
कल हमने रेडियो प्रोग्राम में किया कि कल हम बातें कर रहे थे, तो मैंने कहा कि देखो, हम जितने बार फिजी पे मुसीबत आया है, हमने उसको ओवरकम कर दिया है. और दिस इज द टाइम, इसको एक पॉजिटिव वे देखो कि देखो कोविड-19 को चैलेंज करो. चैलेंज करने के मतलब ये है कि उसको बताओ कि डोंट कम our way, हम मसल कर धर देंगे. This is the word, हम मसल कर धर देंगे. हमारा indirectly मतलब ये था कि come on, we're gonna fight and kill you. So basically, the idea is for the people to sanitize, mask, and of course social distancing. But thank you guys. Hope you have a wonderful time. Do take care. Stay safe. Be safe. Look after your family. Look after your saas sasur. Look after your girlfriend, boyfriend, pati patni, and
खुद अपना अच्छा बनाइए.
और अपना अच्छा बनाइएगा. और of course, Shama, please, enough of your modeling pictures. Enough, I'm telling you.
आप अपना चाय खुद बनाइए, मैं modeling pictures बंद कर दूंगी.
See you guys. Take care.
Yeah, man, thank you so much. Michael has actually, gotten his COVID-19 जो vaccine है. He has gone through that. He's gotten it. And I got one, I'll be getting another one May 13th. And I know अगर आपको मौका लगे, with the vaccine, it's available. Like, यहाँ के जो लोग हैं, if you are still thinking कि सोच रहे क्या नहीं, if you're getting it, please go ahead and get it. But Satya, once again, thank you so much. We'll be talking to you more about, whatever is happening in Fiji. And हमारे साथ आप जुड़े, and Shama, हम Michael, and of course हमारे जो लोग यहाँ पर, like, Bay Area, San Francisco, US में जो रहते हैं, they really want to know whatever's happening out there on the ground level, So thank you once again. Thank you for joining.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Do take care. Stay safe.
You guys take care. Namaste.